Welcome to our 4th annual NatureScape Garden Tours, where our customers can see the beautiful ways that the outdoor landscape can be transformed to be water efficient. And this year, we combined our NatureScape Garden Tour with our open house so that our customers can also see all the behind-the-scenes ways that we ensure safe, reliable service for your water, wastewater, and recycled water.
We wanted to kick this off and welcome you all here to our headquarters. We've been here for about 2 years now. We think this is a great location. So here we are at Molten Miguel's headquarters, and I ran into Diana. So what do you think of our facilities you're walking around?
It's really beautiful. It really shows people what they can do with their yards and should do, because nobody wants to pay for water that just runs off.
And so when you're looking here, did you see anything that you'd like to put in your yard?
Yes, the monkey flower. I really need to put some of that in my yard because the hummingbirds like it, and lemonade berry and some other things.
We got some information in our water bill from Molten Miguel. We just became very excited about the opportunity to not just save water, but to have a native-friendly landscape. They held our hand through the process. They helped us remove the turf, get a designer, helped us with the plants. They were basically there every step of the way. I think when people sometimes think of a native California garden, they don't think you can have color. It's amazing how many native plants there are that offer this kind of color. It's beautiful, it's relaxing, you get nature. We never had native birds here. Now we have California townies and all sorts of birds that are native to the area. It's a really good feeling to have something that's supporting the environment. I love my garden and I'm really happy I did it, and I'm grateful to Molten Miguel.
For the customers that have the NatureScape and the neighbors that see it, this is promoting how beautiful a yard can look with the native California plants. So as the neighbors drive by, they see how great it looks. On their own, we see them picking up and changing their yards to be beautiful, save money, and save water.
My name is Eve Fine. I'm one of the co-founders and co-executive directors of Community Roots Academy. We have 800 students using this space in this courtyard area, and between the rain and the usage, our turf got completely destroyed. We looked into the turf rebate program and realized that we qualified, and we decided to move in that direction to have a usable courtyard with the native plants. We have these stepping stones that the students love, gabion benches, and a mandala garden, which is a sensory garden. We have a rain chain where the children can watch the rain come down into the dry creek. The big boulders the students love to sit on, the benches they love to read on. So many amazing elements.
We design and install this garden. It was originally 10,000 square feet of lawn, and the main goal was to bring back California natives, reintroduce them, teach, especially the kids, how important they are for our climate.
They explore all the plants that are here. We're hoping that they'll help us maintain it at a certain point going forward once we have it established. So we're just looking to enrich it and create more educational experiences for the students.
Our customers step up each and every day. They really take great care of their landscaping. They're saving us 250 million gallons a year on water with the landscaping that they do. It's really outstanding.
Congratulations on another successful NatureScape garden tour and open house showcasing beautiful California native plants, as well as the agency's efforts to educate the community about water conservation and environmental protectionism. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be here to salute all your fine work, the Moulton-Niguel Water District, and I'm proud to present a certificate of recognition from the State Assembly for all the fine work you are doing to educate people to be conserved and conserve water.